So they know I'm here. Well, it won't help them cause I'm gonna kill them anyway. Reload my shotgun right quick, so I'm going to battle unprepared. Ah, the blue medallions. Let's pop them. Let's go ahead and pop this first one right here. Pop. I don't even know what I said, but it sounded funny. Alright, God, time for you. Pop, 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 pop. Die, die, die. What the heck, man? Okay, now it's your turn. I'll wait. Pop. Okay, I missed that one shot. Okay, die. Freaks, man. These motherfuckers freaks. Pop motherfuckers in the head, they won't die. Pop them like what? 6, 7 times? Another one? I'm gonna cut you. You. Yeah, I got that guy right there with my knife, man. Yeah, we cut people, man. Yeah. Cut that nigga leg, man. Oh, and I killed him with my kick. And that's what it do. Ooh, and the egg. And it's brown. Yay. Brown egg. See if I can hit this. Yeah. You can call it Sniper Leon, but Pea Shooter Sniper Leon. Yeah, it's a good name. Pea Shooter Sniper Leon. Super Agent. Okay, yeah, that's a bad name. So yeah, let's call him Leon. Yeah, it's short, sweet. Yeah, Leon. Yeah. Okay, it should be one blue thingy. Oh, I forgot what they call medallion. Yeah. Dang, I missed 3 times. That sucks. I suck. I can't be doing that later in the game because later in the game requires pinpoint accuracy. I should get better though. We got spindled. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm just call it spindled. Rewriting spindles. Yeah. I'm sorry. Did you lose your hat? I'm sorry about that. Nah. All right, more shotgun ammo. I don't think I need any more, but more is good though. And I tried to sneak up on him, but got smart. Stupid AI. Does not know I was coming up on you. Ooh, 1 shot. Alright, should be blue medallion. Yeah. Yeah. That's a good shot right there. Oh. Cabinet. More handgun ammo. I'm not gonna jump down there yet. Should be a blue medallion on this windmill right here. Are we going to shoot it, y'all? Yeah, it's a good shot, y'all. Big open box right here. We got Grenado. Okay, what other blue medallion? There you go. Right in front of me to my right. Going to shoot it, y'all. It goes pop, y'all. It's a good pop, y'all. Almost done taking all the goodies. Okay, well, nothing in that right one. Should have been something in there, but I guess a lot of things gonna be empty. Let's go and get this thingy down here. What was it called? Let's see what it's called. Beerstein. Whatever. I don't know how to pronounce it, so don't really care. It's money, so you know. Go and reload. I Rearrange for our save. It's good, clean cache case. Now let's save. And we get back to killing them next time, y'all.